everyone's the new kid's handing out Doritos!
Doritos?
Doritos! You make friends.
Down every road is a story. The farther you go, the more wild and unexpected they get. But those are the ones you remember, and tell and retell. So you need the right machine to find them. A capable machine that's tough and enduring. That's why, when we built the all-new Sorento, we didn't just build another SUV. We built the world's first storytelling machine. We didn't just build another hybrid. We built a hard-charging 37-mile-per-gallon turbo hybrid with the range and power to find your next story, wherever it might be. The all-new Sorento Turbo Hybrid, the world's first storytelling machine.
Like what you see?
Oh, yes.
Are you hungry for more?
Literally starving.
Want it bathed in buttermilk, breaded in flour, coated in crispiness?
All three.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. The North American Aerospace Defense Command detected 3 ICBMs launched from North Korea. The first missile is expected to reach the Los Angeles, California area within 2 hours. The second missile is expected to reach Chicago, Illinois in 3 hours. The third missile is expected to reach New York City, New York in 3.5 hours. Anyone within a 400-mile radius of these cities is at the risk for significant fallout. Anyone, which is most of the United States, in this area needs to seek the nearest fallout shelter. Bring a battery-powered radio, bottled water, canned foods, and other basic survival items. All TV and radio stations in the United States have ceased normal programming. President Biden is currently being transported to a secure location, and will be speaking soon. Please stand by. Information for your local area will be announced shortly. A civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of Ohio and parts of northern Kentucky. These areas are within a 400-mile radius of Chicago, Illinois, where the ICBM will be detonated in approximately 3 hours. Fallout will reach the Cincinnati area within 1 hour of detonation. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local authorities will lead you to one. Please stand by for further information. The United States military has responded to North Korea's actions. The United States military has now launched 6 ICBMs headed towards Pyongyang, North Korea. These missiles are expected to impact North Korea within 3 hours.
I'm Val, the orange money retirement squirrel from Voya.
Val from Voya.
Yeah, Val from Voya.
Quick question. What are Voya retirement squirrels doing in my house?
We're putting away acorns, you know, to show the importance of saving for the future.
So you're sort of like a spokesman.
This is a CBS News special report. I'm Rena Ninen in New York.
A major move by North Korea overnight. Pyongyang claims an intercontinental ballistic missile launched from North Korea's west coast.
And that's how you brew it.
My king, this corn syrup was just delivered.
That's not ours. We don't brew Bud Light with corn syrup.
Miller Lite uses corn syrup.
Let us take it to them at once. But if something did happen, we'd eat the wizard first, right?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, brewers of Miller Lite, we received your corn syrup by mistake.
That's not our corn syrup. We received our shipment this morning.
You're joking.
Try the Coors Light Castle. They also use corn syrup.
Can you smoke outside?
Oh, brewers of Coors Light, is this corn syrup yours?
Well, well, well. Looks like the corn syrup has come home to be brewed. To be clear, we brew Coors Light with corn syrup.
Bud Light, brewed with no corn syrup.
Make the putt.
Change color? Syrup ticket. Find the cat. Make it rain. Change the music.
When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move.
Lassie, get help.
Use the rocket.
Freeway.
If only everything in life listened to you like your new A-Class.
Hey, Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Change color. Make it cooler. Play my music.
When I move,
The A-Class, starting at $32,500.
The Q logo.
Flamin' Hot Nacho. They made the original hot.
I wanted that.
ooh, hot stuff all over my nachos. Walking like a taco, driving over potholes. Hotter than a pot roast. Fingers on my hot chips. Red-handed, come on, man, I'ma need some chopsticks. Quad lead a house and I'ma need another outfit. Flying in a maggot on the wall inside a cockpit. Speaking of desire, man, you preaching to the choir. Man, my tongue is doing fine, but the roof is on fire.
Now it's hot.
What's happening?
It's the future, Michael.
Oh, I'm not Michael. Oh, don't worry. He calls everyone Michael.
This is an emergency alert. Inbound nuclear missiles have been detected. You have approximately 4 minutes to find shelter. Communications have been severely disrupted. The number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. Stay tuned to this channel, stay calm, and stay indoors. This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. Three-minute warning. Two-minute warning. One-minute warning. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
This is a message from the White House. Nuclear attacks on the United States have now taken place. Please stand by for further info. The United States government has issued a nationwide alert on the attack of the United States. The United States has been attacked with small, low-power bombs. No real damage has taken place. We now return you to regular programming. All bombs sent to North Korea have been brought back. No damage has occurred. There is no longer an emergency. We will now return you to regular programming.
Skittles portrait.
That is E to the Z, ooh, tweedly disgusting!
You haven't heard me sing Diddly Ding yet.
Dream on! Higher. Dream on! I think a little higher. Dream
Rock the rainbow, taste the rainbow.